Welcome to our not so mystery box reselling box unboxing.
We ordered this box a couple of days ago. This is a not so mystery. I picked out the items, and I think I paid like $25, I want to say, from the seller for this box. And if you see my little sign, check me out my Posh Market closet at Ashley Pompey.
Okay.
And also check us out on Instagram at Pompey Ashley.
Sophia Pompey. So here we have a note. It says, "Thank you for your purchase." Wow.
Oh, that was sweet.
This is a dress. It's really cute. It is a Orange Creek, and it's a size large.
Super cute.
Nice for the summer. Next, we have this yellow flower thing. Looks like another dress. Another summer dress. It's cute. Old Navy. It's a large G. LG.
That's large.
We have some Calvin Klein shorts. Did I read that right? Yeah, Calvin Klein. It's a size small.
Does it have the Calvin Klein on the... Oh, it just has it on the...
It has on the strings and that, yeah.
And they're terry cloth material, aren't they?
Yeah. Looks like a t-shirt. Or not a t-shirt, but a long sleeve. Vineyard Vines, my bad. Well, heck. And it's a size extra small. This is it looks like a denim jacket thingy, but it's not a jacket, it's like a denim vest maybe.
Like a tank. A sleeveless crop top, I think it is. That you can tie at the stomach.
Okay, our Faded Glory authentic wear. It's a ladies size small. It looks like a bathing suit. This is cute. It says Liz
Claiborne.
It's a size 14. I don't know. Another bathing suit top. It's cute.
What brand and size?
It's a pink and a medium.
Victoria's Secret pink.
Victoria's Secret medium. An Ellie and Kate.
A what?
A Ellie Kate or something.
Okay.
It's a large. It's a romper. Cute, nice for summer. Last but not least, looks like a tank top. It says, "Save a house, ride a Harley."
It doesn't say save a
horse,
Oh
ride
my
a
goodness.
Harley.
Now say it correctly.
Save a horse, ride a Harley. And it's a size. I don't know. It says 3 different sizes.
Read the sizes.
6, and L.
Okay.
It's silver for her TM.
All right, turn it around so we can see it. Save a horse, ride a Harley. All right, so what do you think about this box, Soph?
It was cute, nice, a lot of cute summer stuff.
What would you rate this? 1 through 10? 10 being the best?
9.
9? Cool. You see some pieces you like?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite piece?
This shirt.
The vineyard vines. Cool. Well, we gotta get it ready and we'll post it on my Poshmark closet, our Poshmark closet at Ashley Pompey. Stay tuned. If you see something that you like, hit me up and I'll give you a good deal. I have some work to do. I have these to steam and list. Got to take care of those ones. And I'm so excited. I have a new steamer that came in. I just put it together. It just came in the mail today. So super excited about that. So happy Friday. We got some work to do, huh? Mm-hmm. And I ordered another not so mystery box the other day. So according to our tracking, it should be here tomorrow. So stay tuned for another unboxing. How do you like these unboxing videos? If you like them, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. I want to do more content with my YouTube channel.
Comment down below what your favorite piece was of this pile.
Yes, comment down below. Got some work to do, huh? All right, stay safe. Thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe this video. Thanks.